Today we are going to see overriding in inheritance of Java programming language. So we have a project called inheritance test, and we are dealing with two classes. One is staff class. This staff class has name and salary, and this is how we set the value of name and salary using a constructor, and this is how we get the value of name and salary. Now here is a class called executive. This extends staff. That means inheritance is taking place here. So all the properties of staff is transferred to the executive. The name and salary it already has by virtue of inheritance, and we have given another variable called department. So name, salary, department is there. How to set the value? This is using super. We set name and salary, calling this constructor, and setting department in the usual manner, and getting the department also. These are the two classes. Now what happens if these two, staff and executive, one inheritance class and one class which is inheriting, both of the classes, if they have a function of similar name, what is going to happen? This is the point which we are going to take care and discuss today. For example, in this staff class, if we have a function called show employee info, and what we are going to do is we'll just show name and salary like this. We have a function called show employee info. This is going to return the string, and what will be the string? Name and salary, in this way. Similar function by the same name and same return type, if we give in executive.java, I copy here, paste it, and I say that return department, because this class is only dealing with the department, because name and salary is already there. Okay, but now when I come here, it is showing add override annotation. Okay, so this is what overriding is all about. Same name, how, and compiler will be confused which function should be executed. But since executive.java is now the class, this has been inherited, but this is the basic class which we are interested in. So this will execute this particular function, but no, we have this similar function here itself. So how to make adjustment? The adjustment is by this. You make certain string and use super. Okay, I make a string, say employee info, and I use super keyword and super dot show employee info. Now this particular function is of staff.java of this class. So this particular code which I have highlighted will be transferred to this emp info, and we can now use this in this return. So you understood? By using super, you can override a function. You can override the function which have similar name and which are there in a base class and a inherited class or a child class. Let me execute it for you and see what is the result. Make an object of staff, say name as Ram and salary as 2000, and make a class object of executive also, like this. So this executive will have name Rila, salary 5000, and this is the department, that is managerial department. If I execute show emp info of this staff class, it is going to show me Raman 2000. No problem with that. Let me execute it for you. Raman 2000. But when I run this particular function, similar function for this, there is no confusion since we have already made the adjustment like this. And now if we run the main class or the class which has main, it will give Rilla 5000 manager, whatever is being passed it will give. So this is an example of overriding functions in Java programming language. Thank you so much.